Imagine a world without plastic. Hard, right? From the computer or phone you're using right now to the shoes you might be wearing, plastic is everywhere. But how did this fantastic material come to be? Back in the 1800s, people loved playing billiards. But there was a problem. The balls were made of ivory, which comes from elephant tusks. As the game's popularity soared, elephants were at risk. People thought there must be another way. And so began the quest for a substitute. In 1869, a smart guy named John Wesley Hyatt took on this challenge. He mixed camphor, a substance from the bark of a tree, with cellulose from cotton and wood pulp. What he got was something moldable, like clay, that held its shape when dry. He called this invention celluloid. While it wasn't perfect, it was a step towards saving elephants. Then in 1907, another genius named Leo Baekeland created bakelite. This was the first fully man-made plastic. It was strong, didn't conduct electricity, and was heat resistant. This made it perfect for things like radios and telephones. Soon after, many more types of plastics were discovered. By the mid-1900s, plastic was the new hero material. It could be made into almost anything. When World War II came around, metals and other materials became scarce. But guess what? Plastic was there to save the day. Soldiers had nylon parachutes, and pilots had acrylic screens in their planes. After the war, companies realized plastics could be used for so much more. Toys, bags, bottles, cars, you name it. It was made of plastic, it was cheap, light, and lasted forever. But then, that lasting forever bit, it became a problem. While we loved using plastic because it was durable, it also meant it wouldn't break down quickly. This is where the story gets a bit sad. We started noticing plastic bags in trees, plastic bottles on beaches, and plastic rings around birds and turtles. Our beautiful oceans began filling with plastic. Marine animals, thinking plastic bits were food, ate them, which made them sick. As plastics broke into tiny pieces, these microplastics began appearing in fish, water, and even our food. The material that was once celebrated was now a big concern. Besides littering our world, making plastic also polluted our air. How? Plastics come from oil and gas. Turning them into your favorite toys or bottles releases harmful gases into the air. Now, before you think this story is all gloomy, there's hope. People around the world realize the problem and are working on solutions. Some are inventing plastics that break down faster. Others are finding ways to recycle plastic better. Some smart scientists even found bacteria that munch on plastic like it's their favorite snack. The story of plastic is like a roller coaster ride filled with ups and downs. From an amazing solution to a global problem, it teaches us a lesson. Every invention, no matter how great, needs to be used wisely. As we move forward, let's remember this tale and make choices that are kind to our planet. Imagine a world without plastic.